Hello friends, I am Smriti Shah. Chemistry, chapter number 1, solid state. In previous lecture, we will completed packing efficiency topic. Okay, now next topic known as imperfection in solids. Okay, and meaning of defect means what? Okay, then crystalline arrangement is disturbed, it is known as defect. Crystalline arrangement is disturbed means when crystalline atom particles arrangement is disturbed, that's why this one known as defect. Clear? And defect of solid, defect of solid divided into total two types. Okay, first one is point defect, second one is electronic defect. Electronic defect. Okay, and generally we will study about point defect, and this point defect divided into total three types. Okay, first one is stoichiometric defect, second one is non stoichiometric defect, and third last one is impurity defect. Next, this stoichiometry defect known as intrinsic or thermodynamic defect. Why this one known as thermodynamic defect? Because temperature is changed. Okay, temperature is changed, that's why this one known as thermodynamic defect also. Stoichiometric defect, another two name, intrinsic or thermodynamic defect, and this stoichiometric defect divided into total four types. First one is vacancy defect, second one is interstitial defect, third one is Schottky defect, and fourth one is Frankel defect. Okay, and these four types of stoichiometry defect. Now second one is non-stoichiometric defect, and this non-stoichiometric defect divided into total two types. First one is metal excess defect, and second one is metal deficiency defect. Next, now we will study about this all defect in briefly. First one is stoichiometric. Suppose here denoted by small a alphabet, B, and this one is C. Then our first topic is a stoichiometric defect known as thermodynamic defect, intrinsic defect. See, this one is stoichiometric defect. Definition is present. The point defect that do not disturb the stoichiometric of solid is known as intrinsic or thermodynamic defect. The point defect they do not disturb the stoichiometric of solid is known as intrinsic or thermodynamic defect. Means stoichiometric defect, another two names are present. Which one? Intrinsic or thermodynamics. Clear friends? Now This stoichiometric defect divided into another 4 types: vacancy, interstitial, third one is Schottky, fourth one is Frankel. Now first one is vacancy defect. See here word present, vacancy means suppose all constituent particles, either atom, ion or molecule, when attached with each other and between them one space or gap is present, and this one indicated vacant. Okay, and that's why here one definition is present: when some of the lattice side are vacant is known as vacancy defect. Suppose here I will draw figure of vacancy defect. Vacancy defect, first of all, atom or ion. See, suppose here all atom, okay, attach with each other, like here positive, negative, positive, negative, this type of ion is present. Okay, then here also constituent particles are present, positive, negative, positive, negative. Suppose these all atom or ion attach with each other, okay, and maybe lattice side is vacant. Means what? Here some space is present. Why? Because here no cation or anion is present. That's why this space or gap indicated vacancy. Because in definition you can see easily, okay, some of the lattice side are vacant is known as vacancy defect, and this vacancy defect and second interstitial defect, these two defect known as non-ionic compounds. Why? Because in these two defect non-ionic compounds are present. That's why vacancy and interstitial defect works as a non-ionic compounds. And now start second point. Second point is D. Small d indicated density. That's why its density is decreases. Density is decrease. Now second one is interstitial defect. Why? Because stoichiometric defect divided into 4 types. First vacancy, second interstitial. Okay, now briefly studied about interstitial defect. First of all, meaning of interstitial defect is sum of the constituent particles. You know which one known as constituent particle? Atom, ion or molecule. Occupied an interstitial site in lattice is called interstitial defect. Okay, constituent particles arrangement means suppose here I will draw one figure for interstitial defect. Okay, suppose here constituent particle arrange with each other like positive, negative, positive, negative, this type of ion. Okay, when arrange, and here one word present, interstitial site in lattice is called interstitial defect. Sum of the constituent particle occupied. Okay, then suppose here positive, negative, positive, negative, and here also positive. Then here negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative and positive. This type of ion when arranged, okay, and interstitial site means what? Here one gap is present. You know, in previous lecture we will study about voids, means when atom attach with each other and between them one gap is present, this one indicated voids. And suppose here this negative ion arrange or move, then this negative ion, okay, shifted on this gap. That's why this one indicated interstitial site, and here totally empty space, suppose indicated by this type of box or square, and this one indicated empty space is present, means negative ion or any constituent particle is totally absent. That's why this negative ion arranged in between these two, okay, between these negative and positive ions gap is present and easily arranged. That's why indicated interstitial site. And second point is its density remain constant, okay, density remain same. Clear? This one indicated interstitial defect. Now third one is Schottky defect. This one is a very most important for your board exam, okay, for 2 and 3 marks question also. Schottky and Frankel, this one indicated one type of stoichiometric defect. And in Schottky defect, first of all I will explain one definition for Schottky defect. When equal number of, here word present, see, equal number of cation and anion, okay, equal number of cation and anion remove by any means from, remove by any means from crystal lattice, it is known as Schottky. Clear? Means equal number of cation and anion when removed. Suppose, see, in this figure positive, negative, positive, negative, and suppose okay, positive ion attached with negative, positive, negative, positive. Here negative ion present, positive ion, negative ion, positive ion, negative ion. Now same here, positive, negative, positive, negative and positive. And in definition, okay, definition, equal number of cation and anion word present. See, equal number of cation and anion are present, but definition is cation and anion removed by any means from. Means what? Suppose here this negative ion is removed, okay, from this side, and from this side, either this side, one positive ion is removed. Means what? Same number of cation and anion. See, here negative and this one indicated empty space, okay, and here also indicated empty space. That's why easily you got word of anion and cation removed by any means from crystal lattice, okay, and this one indicated Schottky defect. And in Schottky defect, example of Schottky defect is, suppose crystal lattice, you know, most popular sodium chloride crystal, okay. Second one is potassium chloride, okay. Then AgBr, known as silver bromide. This type of compounds present in Schottky defect. And cation and anion, remove any one side. This one indicated Schottky. And second thing, Schottky defect, coordination number is high. Why its coordination number is high? Because see, this positive cation suppose attach with in outer side negative ion, either middle side works as a central atom negative ion and outer side arrange positive ion. That's why this one indicated vice versa, and that's why its coordination number is high. Now next one is Frankel. Okay, Frankel definition is when one of cation and anion occupied interstitial site. Okay, interstitial site means what? You know, in lattice it is called Frankel defect. And here one word also present, dislocation defect. Clear? Means when suppose here one lattice is present and in this lattice positive, negative, same positive, negative cation and ion is arranged, and when interstitial site means suppose any one side one gap is present and in this gap, okay, in this gap filled with either positive either negative anion or cation, then this one indicated interstitial site. See, okay, suppose this type of ion is present, but here word or definition indicated cation and anion occupied interstitial site. Means what? Suppose this positive cation, okay, move from here. Why? Because here one gap is present and this positive cation easily arranged. Okay, and this one of the cation or anion occupied interstitial site. That's why here one gap is present, and this one indicated Frankel effect. Next, second example is ZnS, zinc sulfide, and AgBr also. Please friends note, AgBr compound works as a both type of defect, Frankel or Schottky, and here cation and anion, okay, cation size is smaller than anion, that's why this ion easily arranged, and that's why here coordination number is low. And example is Zn as zinc sulfide. Why zinc sulfide is present? Because due to its positive cation small size, zinc plus 2, its size is small, that's why easily arranged in interstitial side, and this one indicated Frankel defect. Clear? And this one is a very most important for you. Please always remember for your board exam and also JEE and NEET. That's why please these two defect compulsory learn. Okay, thank you. And now we will meet in next lecture. Thank you.